Round accumulation table automatically sorts, aligns, and feeds containers into your production line. This automatic granule weighing filling machine accurately fills croutons and snack granules. It ensures stable weighing performance and consistent filling results. Automatic servo paper concealing machine. The servo-controlled paper concealing machine provides strong and reliable sealing. It is suitable for paper cans used in food and snack packaging. Automatic dust-proof plastic lid capping machine. This most-proof plastic lid capping machine presses. It lids securely and cleanly. It improves product protection and packaging quality. Factory direct supply. Contact us for a complete granule and packaging solution.